Hi, I'm John with WTI, and I love making things out of wood. It's a bit of a hobby of mine. And so for years, I have tried different types of sandpaper. Now, this is the Trooper 120 grit sandpaper, and so far it has worked amazing. So I have made quite a few different little projects around the house. This soon will be a shoe shelf, so this is just the back of it. But this 120 grit sandpaper really helps to get the rough wood nice and smooth, and now it's ready for varnish or urethane. I have found that this, even though it is a little bit less expensive than some of the bigger name brand sandpapers, it still lasts. It does a very good job. I'm not constantly switching sandpaper, but it lasts very well, and you do get a very, very clean, a very nice, smooth finish. So I've been very, very happy with this sandpaper. It fits onto my sander perfectly. The holes all line up perfectly, so you don't have to worry about the holes being wrong. It's very high quality sandpaper, and it's going to really help you with any projects that you have. So again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.